Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna cook sardine chutney, and here's all the ingredient I need. 3 tins of sardines and all the dry spices and the salt as well, and boiled egg, onions and green chilies, some coriander and garlic and tomatoes, and vegetable oils. And my pans are heat up. Now I'm going to add the oil, 2 tablespoon of oil, and pinch of cumin seed, and 3 bay leaves, and 3 cloves of garlic fine chopped. And I'm going to mix it till it get golden brown. About 30 to 40 seconds. Now I'm just going to add the onions and the green chilies, and I'm going to mix all till it gets soft. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, just going to put the lid on for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is after 4 minutes, and the onions look like it's gone soft. Just going to mix it again. It's soft now. Just going to add all the dry spices. So it's 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'm mixing all the spice. Just gonna add the tomatoes now. It's 2 medium-sized tomatoes in there. Just mixing properly. Just gonna put the lid on for another about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the tomatoes, everything soft. Now I'm gonna add the sardines now and break it because it's hard. So I'm just gonna mix it and try to break it. So I have to put the lid on again. So after about few minutes, then the sardine will go soft. As you can see, it's hard now. Just gonna put the lid on for another 4 minutes maybe. It's after 5 minutes, medium heat I put it. So as you can see, the sardines are soft. Still little bits left, so just gonna try to break it to make it soft. So it looks like all soft now. So it's just gonna add the boiled egg. It's 5 boiled egg in there. So I'm just gonna try to mix it slowly so it doesn't break. It's fine now. So I'm just gonna add the corianders. It looks delicious, it smells good. So thank you for watching, and Assalamu alaikum. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.